Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have the Fool in reverse, Seven of Sons and Four of Sons. So in your situation, Taurus, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So today in your situation, guys, you are really distracted. You have some things coming, taking your time and energy, maybe some obstacles or hurdles or some distractions. It is taking your your concentration away from work or away from this relationship, and it may lead to some mistakes on your part because you do not have that clarity or concentration today. So it may lead to some mistakes in your work or in your personal life, guys. So there are certain things distracting you today, and maybe you are making a lot of efforts. You are making strenuous efforts and you are struggling. So you have many obstacles you need to overcome today in your life, and you are ambitious. You have a lot of goals and dreams for yourself to achieve, and you are working towards that. But though you are facing a lot of struggles and obstacles, you are in a very advantageous position today, guys. You are having that greater potential for success and prosperity in your situation. And maybe in your personal life or in your work situation, guys, you are happy for certain things. Maybe you are meeting with the people you love, or someone from your past, or maybe your ex, or a friend who has left you all of a sudden. So you were not in communication for quite some time. So this person is coming back. They are visiting you, maybe. So you are happy. You are spending time with this person. So some kind of a surprise visit is what I see, guys. And for some of you, you are having a happy reunion, maybe with family members, friends or colleagues, spending time with the people you love. And you are happy for certain things. Maybe there may be certain changes in your situation today, guys. Positive changes you may see. So all your struggles and efforts may give the results, guys, in your work or in this relationship. Maybe you were simply making efforts for this person to come back to you or to understand you. You were trying hard, so all that effort is paying off. They are coming back to you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card and the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in. But you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard, Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well. And if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad. But if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.